you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta make some sacrifices when you gotta make some sacrifices.
I've been doing things that they told me I should never do. I've been doing things that they told me I could never do now. Never do, I could never do. I've been looking back and I'm the only one who ever knew. My dreams began to turn out.
Alright, today's a very exciting day. Exciting is because I'm facing my fears today. I'm facing my fears of longboarding by myself. I was like, you know what? Today I'm gonna face my fear, and that's what we're doing. I know to a lot of people it may seem like nothing that's too scary. I mean, you face your fears, and longboarding, I mean, really what's so scary about it? But you know what? I really think that you don't have to let your fears like define you. They don't need a reason. If you're afraid of something, all you can do is recognize it and friggin' face it. So I wrote coming over bumps right here, walking and longboarding. That's something I'm used to. We're gonna get used to it. But you know what? Like, I don't ask myself. Like, sometimes I do, but for this, I'm like, I'm not gonna ask myself, why am I afraid to do this? I'm just gonna recognize that I'm afraid to do it, and I'm gonna go freaking do it.
I'm not gonna change my mind. Your head's strong forward, but this time around I'm taking my time. Don't push me. I'm not coming down. I'm not giving up. Oh, don't rush me. I made up my mind, going straight to the top. Ooh.
Just got back from Costco. Gonna show you guys what I got. All right, apples, not just any kind of apples, jazz apples. These things are delicious, my favorite, nice and fresh from Costco. And then we have a lot of pizza. So we get the Tex-Mex cheese. Macros on this are pretty standard for cheese. 8 fat, 1 carb, 7 grams of protein. So cheese is a good source for some extra protein. Then we get these pure protein bars. They're not too bad. There's about 20 grams of protein in a bar. So 3 flavors: chocolate peanut butter, chocolate deluxe, and chewy chocolate chip. This one's the best flavor. And then we got some Greek yogurt packs: strawberry, blueberry, vanilla, blackberry. I think there's 12 grams of protein in a serving, so that's a must. And then we got some cashew milk. Pro tip, cashew milk is so much better than almond milk, so there's a nice 3-pack that you can get at Costco. And then the last thing we got was a tub of cookies and cream Muscle Farm protein powder. It's in Kyle's car right now, so I don't have it here with me. He's just moving the car around. But it's not my first choice of protein powder. Normally there's the ON Gold Standard there. The only reason for that is just we're on a budget right now. Protein powder, when you're ordering it online from the brands that we really like First Form, De Novo, and stuff like that, it's a little bit expensive for us Canadians. So we're trying to save some money where we can, and unfortunately it's in our protein powder. So Muscle Farm, not my first choice of protein powder, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta make some sacrifices when you gotta make some sacrifices. So that is the reason why for the Muscle Farm protein flavor. FYI. Glad we cleared the air. That's it for my grocery haul. Finish off the video right here. Nothing too exciting here. Just got a business meeting with that guy right there for the evening. Secret plans on the way. No, I'm just kidding. Big things coming. Right, Kyle? Big things coming. We're just hustling away. That's how we spend our Friday night. So, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you guys like, you comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.